Namaste guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we will be unboxing our bestseller camera lens, that is the Adcom Professional HD 10x macro lens. Now let's open up the box and see what all do we get inside. Firstly, we get a travel case, and along with the travel case, we get few cards. There is a special discount coupon, a warranty card, some cool stickers, and a user guide on how abouts of the lens. Now let's open up our travel case and check the contents one by one. Inside the box we get a microfiber cleaning cloth, a hood for the lens to take better macro shots, and then there is the lens itself. The lens comes with a lens cap, a detachable clip, and a back cap. Let's see how to install the lens. Firstly, remove the lens cap from the lens. The lens is designed for extreme close shots. The aim of the macro lens is to present the details of the subject. Macro zoom lens has exceptional edge-to-edge contrast and a picture quality unmatched by any other iPhone. Now, put the lens hood on the lens. Lens hood provides stability and ensures that you have the correct focusing distance for every shot and acts as a diffuser to soften the light. It will be the best choice for your travel. Now let's put the lens on the primary camera of our mobile phone. Make sure to remove the mobile cover before putting on the lens. The lens attachment expands the capabilities of your camera. It allows you to take more interesting shots. Once you have put the lens on the camera, make sure that it is in a line of the primary camera. Now we are going to show you some before and after photographs shot from our professional HD 10x macro lens. Different from traditional macro photography, our lens works less than an inch away from the subject. Once you follow all these simple steps, nobody can stop you from shooting some amazing content. Thank you so much for watching this video. Stay tuned for more such unboxing videos.